Have you ever pondered the thrilling path that AI is paving for us? From the humble beginnings of crafting computers with just 20 words of memory to the world once confined to the imaginations of science fiction authors, artificial intelligence has firmly embedded itself in our daily existence. AI's profound impact on our lives is evident across various domains, including weather forecasting, Google's voice recognition and search predictions, email spam filtering, and the presence of Siri in Apple phones, just to name a few prominent examples. While we've witnessed remarkable progress, the future promises even more, with the prospect of robots taking on diverse tasks just a few years away. We stand at the precipice of an AI revolution, and grasping the distinct stages of this transformation is truly invaluable. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the 5 stages of artificial intelligence, with each step refining its abilities and introducing greater complexity. We will explore AI's evolution, from its initial baby steps to the intriguing concept of consciousness. Each stage will be accompanied by clear explanations, making it simple to comprehend the captivating progression of AI. So, let's dive right in. Stage 1. Rule-based AI systems. In the early stages of the AI evolution, we encounter what are known as rule-based AI systems, sometimes referred to as one-task systems. These systems represent the foundational building blocks of artificial intelligence, operating solely on predefined rules and algorithms that have been meticulously crafted by human programmers. Picture a game of chess against a computer. It understands every conceivable move and outcome through the lens of its programmed rules. However, there lies a significant limitation. These systems are confined within the boundaries of the rule set they are given, and cannot expand their knowledge or adapt beyond those predetermined parameters. This initial stage of AI is incredibly proficient at tasks characterized by unambiguous and structured rules. Yet it inevitably struggles when confronted with unprogrammed or unexpected scenarios. One illustrative example of rule-based AI in action is a chatbot. These chatbots, often used in customer support or virtual assistants, rely on predefined patterns and rule-based responses to engage in conversations. They can answer straightforward queries and follow scripted dialogues effectively, but they falter when confronted with complex or contextually nuanced interactions that lie beyond their rule-based programming. As we delve further into the stages of AI evolution, we will witness the progression from these rule-bound systems to more adaptable and dynamic AI, ultimately leading us to the frontier of artificial intelligence, the intriguing idea of consciousness and self-learning systems. Each stage, including this foundational one, plays a vital role in shaping the ever-expanding landscape of AI, promising both exciting opportunities and novel challenges on the horizon. Stage 2. Context awareness and retention. Moving forward in the journey of AI evolution, we find ourselves in the world of context awareness and retention systems. These AI systems represent a significant leap forward from their rule-based predecessors. At this stage, AI exhibits the capacity not only to comprehend the immediate context of interactions, but also to retain and utilize this contextual knowledge to enhance subsequent engagements. This transformative capability fundamentally alters the dynamics of human-AI interactions, ushering in more interactive and personalized experiences. Consider the popular smartphone assistants, Siri and Google Assistant, as prime examples of AI systems that embody context awareness and retention. These virtual companions not only respond to user commands, but also possess the remarkable ability to learn from prior interactions. This means they can remember your preferences, previous questions, and even personal details, creating a user experience that feels tailored to your needs. Imagine asking your smartphone assistant for a restaurant recommendation. In a context-aware AI system, your assistant would not only provide you with a list of nearby eateries, but would also consider your previous dining preferences. If you have a history of favoring Italian cuisine or avoiding spicy food, the AI will take these past interactions into account, offering recommendations that align more closely with your tastes. This heightened level of AI sophistication not only makes daily tasks more efficient, but also cultivates a sense of connection between humans and machines. By retaining context, AI systems bridge the gap between individual interactions, transforming isolated transactions into ongoing relationships. This evolution not only enhances user experiences, but also opens up exciting possibilities for applications in fields such as healthcare, education, and customer service. As we proceed through the stages of AI development, we'll witness further refinements, ultimately culminating in AI systems capable of self-learning and consciousness. Stage 3. Domain-specific mastery, advancing further in the trajectory of artificial intelligence. We arrive at the stage of domain-specific mastery systems, marking a significant evolution from context-aware AI. These sophisticated AI systems transcend general knowledge and exhibit unparalleled prowess within specific domains or fields. At this stage, AI reaches a level of expertise akin to a seasoned human specialist, and their capabilities are nothing short of awe-inspiring. In domain-specific mastery, AI systems are honed to excel in particular areas, acquiring a level of proficiency that surpasses human expertise. These machines rely on advanced algorithms and are meticulously trained on the vast corpus of human knowledge and experience within their designated domains. A striking example is IBM's Watson, renowned for its mastery of answering questions on the quiz show Jeopardy! Watson's victory showcased its ability to not only understand natural language, but also to draw from a wealth of domain-specific information to formulate precise responses. Another remarkable instance of domain-specific AI excellence is Google DeepMind's system, which triumphed over the 18-time world Go champion Lee Sedol. Go is an ancient and complex board game that demands an extraordinary level of strategic thinking and intuition. DeepMind's victory was a testament to AI's capability to outperform humans in highly specialized domains. These domain-specific mastery systems exhibit a profound understanding of their specialized fields, coupled with the capacity to analyze massive data sets swiftly. They serve as domain experts, capable of sifting through copious amounts of information to make informed decisions, predictions, or recommendations. One area where this expertise is revolutionizing the landscape is healthcare, particularly in cancer diagnosis. AI-driven systems can sift through vast medical data, assisting doctors in identifying subtle patterns and early signs of diseases, thereby enhancing patient care and outcomes. Additionally, robo-advisors and chatbots represent another facet of this stage's applications. These AI systems, based on domain-specific mastery, offer invaluable assistance in various domains, from financial advising to customer support. They not only provide instant, accurate responses, but also continuously update their knowledge base to stay abreast of evolving queries and solutions. As we progress toward more advanced stages of AI, we'll witness even more astounding capabilities, ultimately bringing us closer to the elusive world of self-learning and conscious AI entities. Stage 4. Thinking and Reasoning AI Systems. Next is Thinking and Reasoning AI Systems. This stage marks a significant departure from earlier AI iterations, as these systems start to emulate the intricacies of human thinking and reasoning processes. They exhibit a remarkable ability to engage in cognitive activities, such as understanding complex concepts, solving unfamiliar problems, and even generating creative ideas. The foundation of these AI systems lies in machine learning and deep learning techniques. Through these methodologies, AI systems gain the capacity to learn from experience, continuously enhancing their performance over time. For instance, they can read a book not merely processing its words, but comprehending the plot's nuances and inferring the motives behind each character's actions. This level of cognitive depth mirrors human intelligence in its aptitude for reasoning and critical thinking. A notable example is ChatGPT-4. AI systems at this stage begin to possess something akin to intellect. They can analyze information, discern patterns, and derive logical conclusions. These systems have their own body of knowledge, developed through data and experience, and they apply their unique logic to interpret and respond to various situations. What sets these AI systems apart is their capacity to engage in meaningful interactions, not only with humans but also with other machines. They can engage in complex dialogue, discuss abstract concepts, and even collaborate on problem-solving tasks. This profound level of cognitive capability holds immense promise for applications across a wide range of industries. In the coming years, we can anticipate these advanced AI algorithms making their way into the commercial arena, revolutionizing the way we approach complex tasks, decision-making, and collaborative endeavors. Whether it's enhancing medical diagnoses, accelerating scientific discoveries, or streamlining business operations, these thinking and reasoning AI systems will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of technology and human-machine interactions. They bring us ever closer to the tantalizing prospect of AI entities that exhibit not only intelligence, but also the ability to reason and think on par with humans. Stage 5. Birth of Artificial General Intelligence. At the final stage of AI development, we have Artificial General Intelligence, known as AGI. This stage represents the pinnacle of AI achievement, where machines attain a level of intelligence that rivals and, in many respects, equals that of humans. At the heart of AGI lies the profound ability to understand, learn, adapt, and perform virtually any intellectual task a human can undertake. These AGI systems not only possess a deep well of knowledge, but also the capacity to apply that knowledge in ways that mirror human cognitive processes. They can navigate the world, make sense of complex situations, and even comprehend human emotions. Crucially, AGI systems exhibit self-awareness and consciousness. They possess an inherent understanding of their existence and the world around them, leading to the ability to make autonomous decisions and choices. This remarkable level of self-awareness sets them apart from all previous AI stages. The pursuit of AGI is the ultimate objective of countless scientists and researchers in the field of AI. It represents the quest to create machines that can truly think and reason like humans, not limited to specific domains or tasks, but adaptable to any intellectual challenge. While AGI systems are not yet realized in practical applications, the scientific community is fervently working towards this goal, and many believe that we are on the brink of a breakthrough. The concept of AGI has long been a staple of science fiction, often portrayed in movies where machines surpass humans in intelligence. While we are not there yet, the rapid advancements in AI technologies and the ongoing exploration of neural networks and deep learning bring us closer to the realization of AGI with each passing day. The advent of AGI promises a future where machines can collaborate with humans on complex problem-solving, contribute to scientific discoveries, and potentially even achieve a level of empathy and understanding that revolutionizes fields such as healthcare, education, and beyond. The journey through the 5 stages of AI development has been nothing short of fascinating. From rule-based systems to the birth of artificial general intelligence, we've witnessed the incredible evolution of technology and its impact on our lives. But what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you have made it this far, comment with the word number 10 inches, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching.